Imagine walking into your favorite grocery store with a $100 bill in your pocket. 5 years ago, that bill filled your cart with premium steaks, fresh organic produce, and enough snacks to last a month. Today, that same $100 barely covers the essentials, leaving your cart looking depressingly empty. 2. Are not buying more, and you certainly are not getting richer. Yet your money is disappearing right before your eyes. This is not a magic trick, and it is not just bad luck. It is the invisible tax that is quietly eroding your hard-earned savings while you sleep. Welcome to the hidden reality of inflation. The silent thief of the American dream that most people do not even notice until it is too late. If you want to master your finances and stay ahead of the systems that are designed to keep you broke, hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy investors who refuse to be left behind. Think back to the stories your grandparents told you about buying a gallon of gasoline for 25 cents or a movie ticket for a dime. It sounds like a fairy tale, does it not? But those stories reveal a fundamental truth about the United States dollar. It is losing its power. Every single day, the purchasing power of your currency is shrinking. If you have $10,000 sitting in a standard savings account right now, you might feel secure. You see that number on your screen and think your wealth is protected. However, because of the way our economy is structured, that $10,000 is actually losing value every minute, while the numbers stay the same. The amount of stuff those numbers can buy is melting away like an ice cube in the Texas sun. Most Americans believe that inflation is just about prices going up. They see the price of eggs or a new Ford truck rise and blame the corporation or the supply chain. While those factors matter, the real story is much deeper. Inflation is not just prices rising. It is the value of your money falling. When the government and the central bank increase the money supply, they are essentially watering down the soup. There is more money chasing the same amount of goods and services. When everyone has more paper, but there are not more houses or cars to go around, the price of those houses and cars must go up. It is a simple equation of supply and demand, but the consequences for the average worker in the United States are devastating. The most dangerous part of this process is how slow and subtle it is. It does not happen overnight like a stock market crash. 2. It is a slow bleed. 2. It is the reason why your annual 2% raise at work actually feels like a pay cut. If your salary goes up by 3%, but the cost of living goes up by 7%, you are effectively 4% poorer than you were last year. You are working just as hard, if not harder, but you are falling further behind. This creates a treadmill effect where middle-class families have to run faster and faster just to stay in the same place. Consider the housing market in cities like Austin, Miami, or Phoenix. A house that cost $300,000 a few years ago might now cost $500,000 for a young couple trying to buy their first home. The goalposts are not just moving, they are being sprinted away from them. Even if they save diligently, the rate of inflation often outpaces their ability to put money aside. This is how the wealth gap widens. Those who own assets like real estate, stocks, and gold see their net worth explode because the value of those assets rises along with inflation. Meanwhile, those who rely on a paycheck and keep their money in cash are the ones who pay the price. This system creates a massive transfer of wealth from the poor and the middle class to the ultra-wealthy and the government. When the value of the dollar decreases, it becomes easier for big debtors, like the government, to pay back their loans with cheaper money. But for the person trying to afford healthcare, childcare, and a retirement fund, every lost cent of purchasing power is a blow to their future security. It is a rigged game where the rules are rarely explained in school. We are taught to save our pennies, but we are not told that those pennies are designed to lose value by design. So, how do you protect yourself from this invisible thief? The first step is realizing that cash is a melting ice cube. While it is important to have an emergency fund, keeping all of your wealth in a bank account is a guaranteed way to lose money over time. To survive and thrive in this environment, you must move your wealth into productive assets. This means investing in things that have intrinsic value or the ability to produce income. Rather, it is a diversified portfolio of American companies, real estate that provides monthly rent, or even digital assets and precious metals. You need tools that grow faster than the central bank can print new currency. We live in a time of incredible opportunity, but also incredible risk. The economic landscape of the United States is changing rapidly, and the old advice of just work hard and save money is no longer enough. You have to be strategic. You have to understand that the dollar is a medium of exchange, not a permanent store of value. When you start looking at the world through the lens of purchasing power, instead of just nominal dollars, your entire perspective on building wealth will shift. You will start to see why the wealthy are getting wealthier and how you can position yourself on the right side of that equation. The silent thief does not want you to understand these concepts. It wants you to keep working, keep spending, and keep your savings in a place where they can be slowly eroded. But now that you know the secret, the power is in your hands. You can choose to be a victim of inflation, or you can choose to be an investor who uses it to your advantage. The road to financial freedom starts with education and ends with action. 2. Not let your hard work be stolen by a system you do not understand. Start moving your money into assets that work for you, and ensure that your future is as bright as the American dream was always meant to be.